show you regarding this Sibylix software, how to search in any patient, what care we have to take. Okay, so
Similix, I just want to explain you in detail. See, ये कैसे काम करता है माने Similix we have updated today and we have released a version also. By night you will have another editions and another 2 days you will have another edition now. When you type any symptom, say for example, a case may be having around 4 symptoms or 5 symptoms total altogether. देन किसमें 3 से ज्यादा है या 2 से ज्यादा है, मैक्सिमम जिसके सिम्टम्स वो टोटालिटी में मैच हुआ है वो ड्रग 90% 70% कॉन्फिडेंस बोल के ऊपर आएगा. दैट विल बी शोन एट फर्स्ट मेडिसिन. सो ऐसे ही जो एक ही सिम्टम मैच हुआ है वो लास्ट को आता है, जो 2 सिम्टम मैच हुआ है वो दूसरे तीसरे तरफ से आता है. तो व्हेनेवर यू हैव ऑल 4-5 सिम्टम्स डन, तो जो पहला वाला आता है इसका मतलब है कि जितने भी सारे मैक्सिमम सिम्टम्स से वो ड्रग में है, विच इज वेरी एफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स दैट पर्टिकुलर ड्रग. तो इसमें नया वाले में क्या है कि जो आप
मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं, ओपन करूं सिबिलिक्स और
बेस्ट ऑप्शन है सर, बेस्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, या प्लीज.
हाँ, आप क्या यू कंटिन्यू, आई विल जस्ट शेयर माय स्क्रीन.
या तो इसमें क्या होता है, समझिए कि आपने लेफ्ट साइडेड हेडेक डाला और उसके साथ ऐड किया, नॉजिएटिंग फीलिंग करके ऐड किया, फिर से ऐड किया, और उसके बाद यू हैव वन मोर सिम्टम कॉल्ड एज हेड प्रेशर, आई मीन प्रेशर अमल्ट्रेशन करके आपने ऐड किया, और उसके बाद आपने ऐड किया है कि सीजनल वेरिएशन है एंड हेडेक रिमेन्स फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टू द इवनिंग. ये सारे जो सिम्टम ऐड करते तो कितने सिम्टम्स हो गए, तो हम अंदाजा अराउंड 5-6 सिम्टम्स हो गए. तो 5-6 सिम्टम्स में समझिए कि नॉजिया एक सिम्टम नहीं है, तो 5 में अगर 4 सिम्टम एक ड्रग में है, सो दैट विल गिव यू एज अ फर्स्ट मेडिसिन. सो कौन कौन से बुक सर्च करके देगा वो, पहला chronic diseases, Boric and Matremedica Pura as of now. But in future there will be Herring and Allen, both 10 volumes. Those are all the drugs which will be included. तो अभी any symptoms for that matter, अगर सर any, can you please add any symptoms sir, or any multiple symptoms like coryza, upper respiratory tract का जो भी symptom है आप डालिए सर.
ओके,
upper respiratory tract infection का.
yes, suppose dyspnea worse in the evening.
Whatever comes to your mind.
Yeah, dyspnea worse in the evening. Then I have to say add. Okay, add. Then dyspnea with cough. This is one of my patient today. Dyspnea with cough. Then respiration difficult. Has to breathe through mouth. Then cough worse after eating. These are the symptoms of my patient, so I am just typing them as it is. Dyspnea also, dyspnea worse after eating. Then emaciation, body. Okay, now these many symptoms I want to search, so I will click on now. So first you have to add the symptom. We have added the symptom plus and then say search. Okay, so we have to say search.
So now it is going to search from Boric, chronic 2 volume, Matremedica Pura 2 volumes. So almost it is searching nearly 1 lakh symptoms. 75 to 80,000 symptoms are there total. In this, see, the first medicine is dull camera. Now the percentage given is on top, the confidence given.
Just a minute. Thing is phosphorus.
Phosphorus. So the confidence, I am not able to see, sir. So what is the first medicine, sir?
So just a minute. Nat. Just a minute.
Natramor.
Just a minute. Natromure.
So what is the confidence, sir, given?
85%.
So now initially what you see as a red flag there, can you see the red flag? Red marking.
See, I will see the cursor. This one. All exact database matches found.
Ha. So this is exactly the symptom. You may type symptom in a different way, which is not exactly there in the book, but it will interpret and then match what is there inside the book exactly, and what is there inside the book, it will give you exactly that symptom in this particular box.
Yeah, so see here the reference is given chronic disease. Means in Dr. Heineman's chronic disease book, under Natrum Proved Metra Medica, this is the symptom as it is in the Proved Metra Medica. Okay, that is the meaning. So after meals, frequent retching cough with irritation and crawling in the throat. So I have put the query was cough worse after eating. So related to that, so here it is giving you matched your query cough worse after eating, right? So this symptom, it is similar to which symptom which you have searched. So this is how it is showing us. Okay. Yeah, Dr. Shushru, continue.
Yeah, when you go below, when you go below here, these are all the symptoms. See, so many symptoms you have added in that. These are all there in the books, and it is there in the chronic only. See, majorly it has come from the chronic. So now comes is what symptoms you have searched, what you have given as a search option. So these are black color, whatever you have mentioned, that is your symptoms, what you have added.
Yeah. Yes, this.
Yeah.
So these four, so this out of all the added symptoms, these four Natramur has symptoms similar to these four symptoms out of all the symptoms which we have added. This is the meaning. So key
And
indications, yeah.
and whenever you type, try to be more and more specific. Try to be more specific. Say head, frontal region, right side. As sir said, location, sensation, modality, and concomitant. If you have a proper, see, you need not understand the entire drug picture, and you need not understand the medicine versus the drug picture. You don't have to remember anything. You just remember what is a homeopathic symptom, what is a homeopathic proving that is done. Somewhere in the remotest corner, you should know what are the symptoms that we arrived approximately. So these are the symptoms which we arrived at the time of proving. System will understand it, but you have to enter in detail regarding location head. Say for example, if you have eye issues, burning pain in the inner canthi, left side, right side, along with that, what all are other symptoms that you have, like totality. If you have more symptoms available with you, then you will have a right totality that you can medicine that you can arrive at. And one more advantage is, see, now by night you will have this option of separating from chronic disease to Pura, from Pura to Boric. So those source option by night you will have it. That also will be there. And one more advantage is, you sometimes we don't have a proper symptom, but we have a diagnosis. Dr. Sachin
Yes.
sir, just
Yeah.
type DVT in the search engine, just clear it off.
Yes. Clear all.
Now you type DVT, deep venous thrombosis, DVT, which we don't find anywhere in any of our Matra Medica. Just DVT, deep venous thrombosis, or DVT. Even if you write DVT also, it's fine.
Deep vein thrombosis.
Search.
Search. Okay.
So now DVT is completely a venal congestion or venal related issues. So now any medicine which is acting upon the venous issues, every medicines will come now. You see the symptoms. So first it tries to understand whether which book has this particular symptom. If it doesn't get any symptoms in any of a book, then it will uses its brain and then it will think that, okay, so in DVT, I'll have these are all the symptoms. Let us try giving this doctor this particular symptom. Usually as a homeopath, we don't type such DVT or appendicitis. We don't do that.
But
But
in cases where we don't have any symptoms, okay, in such cases with very few symptoms or no symptoms, or in advanced pathological cases where there are no symptoms at all, or whatever symptoms we have, those are vague symptoms, but we have the information data from the investigation, or from the allopathic doctors, that they have diagnosed, they have made a confirmed diagnosis of the patient. We have the investigation reports. With the help of investigation, we have the pathological changes happening inside the body. So those we can use to search here, and this software will understand and show us a list of medicine which cover, which have those symptoms related to that particular diagnosis or pathogenesis.
so now
Am I right? Yeah.
one more symptom we will type, just an
Yes.
example.
Yes.
Sleepiness, too much sleepiness in the evening or at exactly at around 9 o'clock or 9 p.m. You just type it, sir. Sleepiness
Sleepiness
at 9 p.m. regularly.
at 9 p.m. Okay.
Now you search it, sir. Now you have not mentioned it's a evening or a morning. You have not. You just typed 9 p.m. That's it. Now you see the medicines.
Oh, it is showing the timing. This timing wala issue is very important. I mean, in clinic homeopathic, when we search regarding timing, we don't get the reference.
So
It
now
doesn't
see,
show timing.
you got a mentioning that it is in 9 p.m. So now it clearly says too much sleepiness or drowsiness in the evening or midnight or near to the night or whatever it is written in the proving, it will show you. Maybe it is not exactly at 9 p.m. Okay, but it will take you at least to the near of the medicine that patient may be telling you at 9 o'clock, but he may start feeling sleepiness exactly at around 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock also. So in the evening, proving it is written as 9 o'clock.
Right. Right.
Okay. So now one more. Just now we were searching about the lice. Okay.
Yeah.
So Henneman, maybe it's my interpretation. Henneman has not seen actual lice on the hair. What he has seen is when lice were there on the hair, what was the perception, what was the feeling of a patient?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Right.
So now that
Right.
is what is meant by Henneman. So whenever you feel lice, अगर जुए अगर सिर में है तो फिर आपको फीलिंग कैसा होता है? वो फीलिंग प्रूवर में है. अभी आप देखिए, आप अगर सर यू टाइप इट हियर लाइस, LICE लाइस, यू जस्ट टाइप
On,
लाइस.
only lies.
हाँ,
Okay.
अब आपको ऐसा नहीं दिखेगा कि प्रूवर बोलेगा कि अगर प्रूविंग करोगे तो उसके ऊपर जुए नहीं आ जाएंगे, लेकिन जुए आने के बाद जो फीलिंग होता है वो हैनिमन ने प्रूव किया है. ठीक है. So now when you
Right.
type lies, you will have a feeling of lies whenever they are there. So read this.
First one. Yeah. So oleander.
Now read the symptom.
As from lice. Right. Right. Yeah, and on the group, yeah, I have sent to you one short video of a patient. You just observe that patient of 20-second video,
Hmm.
and just that is the main chief complaint of the patient. Okay, and from that observation of the patient, what you will search in this software, or what you will search in the Prud Metra Medica. So
Okay,
it's an
cannot,
exercise.
simple is cannot
Yeah,
lift his hand above the shoulder level,
yeah.
or cannot lift his hand cannot lift his left hand.
So everyone try, and you can tell what you will search for this patient. I have shared the video with everyone. This is today's case. Okay, the patient had sent me a video of his. It's a distant patient, online consultation.
Or a
But
movement restriction at the shoulder level, or a paralytic feeling at the shoulder level, or upper arm.
Dr. Sudarshan, what you will search for this patient? This is the now with on. This is the case where we have to observation is important. You have to observe this, and what word you will search for this patient. So if we want to find a medicine for this patient, what will we search in this Prude Metra Medica? If you want to search directly from Prude Metra Medica, anyone, Dr. Sudarshan, Dr. Sonali,
Sir,
yeah,
weakness in shoulder, I will search, sir.
weakness in shoulder.
Shoulder,
Now,
sir.
yeah,
Weakness
I
shoulder.
will tell you what this patient told me कि डॉक्टर साहब मैं मेरा हाथ कुछ ऐसा ऊपर उठा नहीं सकता मैं बहुत कोशिश करता हूँ लेकिन वो नहीं जाता है ओके मैं उठा नहीं सकता हूँ उस हाथ को खुद से मैं कोशिश करता हूँ लेकिन नहीं जाता है एंड यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो ही इज ट्राइंग बट वो नहीं जा रहा है ओके and it's left side only, left upper limb. He tries but वो नहीं जाता है ऊपर लिफ्ट नहीं कर सकता he is not able to lift his hand by himself. I will show you one more video. See he tries he's trying his level best but he is not able to lift it. Okay, anyone else?
Sir, any other complaints, sir, like pain or
No other
okay.
complaint. Okay,
And can he hold the items?
yes, he can hold the things.
Frozen shoulder.
No, he has no pain. I will share you another two
Sir,
videos.
I searched, sir.
Yeah.
Shoulder lift cannot, and another symptom is lift cannot, sir. Only two symptom I took, sir. The first remedy is lycopodium, sir.
Okay.
So
The first medicine is I mean what you
lycopodium.
searched. I will share you another two videos of this patient with you all. Very short
One
videos.
symptom is lift cannot. Second symptom is shoulder lift cannot.
No, I typed cannot raise the hands and I got plumbum metallicum.
Yeah. See, I have shared another two videos of this patient with you all. Okay. See.
There is a marked emaciation also, or it's just
Yes.
there is a emaciation of the arm portion.
That voluntary movement of his, see, so it is like paralysis. If you see, he's not able to lift it voluntarily. He's trying but he's not able to lift, right? So what I searched, I will tell you. So I medicine अभी तक देना है. I have to finalize the medicine, but I have come with two medicines with this software. What I searched, I will tell you. I will type here. Okay, you can whatever you feel, you have to just search voluntary movement of left upper limb weak. Okay, then another symptom I have put upper limb location you have to put first. Upper limb, side, left side, unable to raise up, unable to raise up or lift up. Okay, and I just searched this, and we'll see there are two medicines which I feel are very similar. Now I have to read so first one is calcarea carb. See the symptom: weakness. We'll just read the symptom: weakness and a sort of paralysis of the left arm. He finds it difficult to move it or to lift it off itself. It always tends to fall down again.
Perfect. Okay.
राइट वो ऐसा कोशिश कर रहे, देखिए इफ यू सी द वीडियो, लेकिन वो वापस सो सी वी डिड नॉट पुट दिस fall down and but it this software is showing you the closest one, right, या उससे related है. And second one, so see voluntary, and it is showing you matched your query. See the cursor matched your query, voluntary movement of upper limb weak to this symptom. In what is the symptom of calcarea carb which is similar? This is the software is showing us: weakness and a sort of paralysis of the left arm. He finds it difficult to move it or to lift it of itself. It always tends to fall down again, right? So I felt and very similar this symptom of calcarea carb. Okay, now next we'll see digitalis. Paralytic weakness in the left arm. He could hardly raise it or nor double up the first fist without pain. Paralytic weakness in the left arm. He could hardly raise it nor double up fist. Then belladonna hai, and then there's Dulcamara and calcarea carb. I feel, see the left forearm, even the side is important. The left forearm powerless, as if paralyzed, with a paralytic feeling in the elbow joint. Lack of strength in the left forearm with paralytic sensation chiefly in the elbow joint. Okay, so these two entries. So this is the beauty of this software, right? So what we are doing, we are not forming rubrics, right? We are not forming rubrics. We are putting we are using patient's own language, patient's own symptoms or words which he has used as a to search from the Mathemedica, right? So there is no need to form rubrics. Patient को symptom क्या है, you just put your query, just put those symptom for searching, and the software will understand and you will guide. It will show you which are the medicines which are related or similar to our symptoms of the patient, right? So this is what I feel very this is really very surprising, the calcarea carb, this symptom, the very first weakness and sort of paralysis of the left arm. He finds it difficult to move it or to lift it by itself, always tends to fall down again, right? तो आपके सिम्टम के क्लोज या एग्जैक्ट भी सिम्टम अगर होगा तो दिस सॉफ्टवेयर विल शो अस in which medicine it is exactly or very similar. Everyone is getting? Dr. Saili, are you getting? Dr. Saili, are you there? Yeah. Dr.
Yes,
Vaishali?
sir.
Yeah. So Dr. Saili, we have not formed rubrics. Rubrics ने आपल्याला तयार करायचे. पेशंटचे सिम्टम ॲज इट इज, जो पेशंट के सिम्टम है ॲज इट इज हमें सर्च करने हैं डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द प्रूव्ड Mathemedica, the original source book, and it will show you these are the. So what this is law of similar. जो सिम्टम जिस मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम्स है एज इट इज पेशेंट के, वो मेडिसिन हमें सिलेक्ट करनी. दैट इज लॉ ऑफ सिमिलर्स, राइट? मेडिसिन के सिम्टम और पेशेंट के सिम्टम वो मैच होना है. तो कौन से मेडिसिन में मैक्सिमम सिम्टम्स मैच होते हैं मेडिसिन पेशेंट के, वो उस मेडिसिन को हम सिलेक्ट करते हैं, राइट? या डॉक्टर सुश्रुत, you want if you want continue? Yeah,
that's what. So now one more, you anybody can name any allopathic disease for that. So we are all like one team. We're just trying to explore whatever things that it can do. Let us name one allopathic, one diagnosis, anything
Dr.
for that matter.
Sudarshan, yeah. Dr.
Left
Sad,
renal calculi.
Type it, type it.
renal calculi.
Left renal calculi.
So we'll first, shall I put the word kidney?
Anything.
Okay. Kidney, because
Left
location
kidney.
kidney,
Diabetes, sir.
left
नहीं.
location kidney,
हाँ,
left side,
हाँ.
or shall I put diagnostic word?
Any diagnostic word only you put, sir. Let us try,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
म्हणायला पाहिजे होता.
Renal
And
calculus.
this is not a AI, huh? This is not AI.
Yeah.
This is totally not AI. If we go with the AI, it will always mislead you because
Yes.
AI is nothing but your Google search, another face of a Google search.
Hmm. So we'll search. In the left renal region of fine shooting when sitting. So it means, see, left renal region. So it is like renal colic, right? Renal colic in the left region. So it is also giving us with modality when sitting. The pain is right. Left renal. So see, it will not give you directly left renal calculus, बट अगर किसी पेशेंट के लेफ्ट किडनी में स्टोन है, कैलकुलस है, तो उस पेशेंट को क्या सिम्टम आ सकते हैं, व्हाट सिम्टम्स ही विल एक्सपीरियंस, दैट वो सिम्टम कौन से मेडिसिन में है, प्रूव मेट्रामेडिका में, दैट दोज मेडिसिन दिस सॉफ्टवेयर विल शो अस. आर यू गेटिंग? सो अगर ये सिम्टम पेशेंट बताता है तो व्हाट एन एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर विल डायग्नोस, अरे लेफ्ट रीनल रीजन में शूटिंग पेन है बहुत, so probably might be it could be renal calculus, right? So are you getting? अगर कुछ query है तो immediately you can ask. Okay, then we'll still check.
See what it does is, now say for example renal calculi में होता क्या है कि from the line to groin region आपको पेन, रेडिएटिंग पेन रहता है. उसके साथ अगर अगर हम खाली रेनल कैलकुलाई डालते हैं तो फिर वो होम्योपैथिक टोटालिटी नहीं होता है. सो इट इज जस्ट अ डिसीज नेम कैलकुलाई, बट सिम्टम्स कुछ भी नहीं देता है उसमें. लेकिन अगर आप थोड़ा एफर्ट डाल के हाँ रेनल कैलकुलाई है, ठीक है, वी विल टाइप रेनल कैलकुलाई. Along with that, if you type certain other symptoms like what is the radiation from where to where, what is the
Modality.
location, modality क्या है, और उसके साथ associated symptoms क्या है, जैसे vomiting है या dizziness है या pain is unbearable, or what
Type
is
of pain.
type of pain. If you type all that, then system will be very easy. It can interpret it and then give you a right medicine. Okay,
Yes.
so now simple example I'll tell you. If you type even heart attack, okay, so this is going to bring in medicine to you, but what it's going to tell you that heart attack का जो symptoms है वो correlate हुआ है drugs में कौन से है, इसमें क्या क्या रहता है. हार्ट अटैक में रेट्रोस्टर्नल पेन रहता है, रेडिएशन रहता है फ्रॉम लोअर, आई मीन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड टू दी आर्म का रहता है, नहीं तो आपको डिजीनेस रहेगा. ये सारे जो सिम्टम्स कौन से मेडिसिन में है ये सारे कंपाइल करके तो वो मेडिसिन आपको थ्रो करने की ट्राई करेगा. इवन इफ यू टाइप, सर इफ यू टाइप नाउ
Yes.
कार्डियक
Yeah, yeah.
हार्ट अटैक,
Yeah, yeah.
देन जो भी गर्ड के सिम्टम है या जो भी इसोफेगल इश्यूज के जो कंप्लेंट है, एसिडिटी के जो इश्यूज है वो देगा. फॉर दस हार्ट इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, फॉर अस द सिम्टम्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट,
Yeah,
बट
we'll
इट विल
check.
हेल्प. या
Yeah, we'll check. But
We'll
before that,
check.
I just want to show you this. See, these are the symptoms of zincum metallicum. Can you ever imagine zincum metallicum in renal calculus? But if you read this proved Matramedica symptoms of zincum metallicum, now I'll definitely think of giving zincum in renal calculus left side. Renal colic. Let us not use the word renal calculus. Renal colic left side. See, sore pain in the left renal region, pressure in the renal region on the left side at times with violent pinching, shooting in the left renal region in paroxysms. Mostly this renal colic, it comes in paroxysms or it is intermittent, right? Like intermittent disease. The renal region on the left side is sensitive when touched. Sharp intermittent tearing in the left renal region, zincum metallicum. Can you ever imagine? This is the beauty of proved Matramedica. And now this is the super beauty of this software, which is showing us the exactness, the exact which are those symptoms similar to the that renal colic of the patient. सो कॉमनली हमें पता है बर्बरी, सरसापाराइला, लाइको, नक्सोमिका, but besides these medicines there are many other medicines also which we can successfully use in such patients renal colic, right? But still but it is possible only with this software. We'll come to know about those medicines, right? So now just a minute.
So Sudarshan sir has raised a hand, sir. I think he has
Yeah,
some.
yeah, yeah,
Sir,
Dr. Sudarshan.
I shared one video, sir. So this patient is diagnosed with cervical dystonia, sir. So what symptoms we can search in this software, sir?
Cervical.
Dystonia, sir. So I shared one video, sir, 30-second video, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. You have shared with me. Okay. So I will
Yes, sir.
share.
Just now,
So
sir.
I will share with everyone. Uh, I will share with everyone. Everyone go through this short video of 30 seconds. Dr. Sadananda, I will share with you also. Yeah. What is the diagnosis?
Sir, cervical dystonia, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we'll first search this. Uh, I mean diagnosis only. Okay, Dr. Sushrut will check cervical dystonia.
I just typed cervical dystonia only.
Cervical dystonia. Okay. Yeah.
See, in the cervical muscle, tension and jerking also when at rest. Causticum.
Just a minute. Yeah. Dr. Suvarna, we are doing showing with on the Similic software. Yeah. Cervical dystonia. This is some rare medicine from Boric, Lycopodium. A sort of paralysis of the cervical muscles. The head sank down forwards more and more, as if it would fall off with sensation of vertigo for 6 hours. Yeah, you can read this. Let me check the video. It is more on right side, I guess. Dr. Sudarshan, right?
Yes, sir. It is only on right side, sir.
Okay. So shall we add here right side, Dr. Sushrut? If we add, let's check. So this is if we know the diagnosis, then we for them, or if already patient has been diagnosed and comes to us, then this is a really useful feature. Spasmodic drawing in the right cervical extending into the eye when turning the head. No.
So can we type it as right side neck muscle contraction?
Yeah.
One more symptom that we can add, sir.
Okay.
Right side neck muscle contraction.
Or we'll remove this right side,
Yeah.
or just cervical
Muscle contraction. We have severe contraction at the right side.
It's involuntary, right, Dr.
Yeah,
Sushma?
Yes, sir. Involuntary movement, sir.
On the right side. Yeah. So in
Hello.
yes, yes.
So lack of muscle coordination पण येऊ शकतं का?
Okay.
Now, if as a patient, as a prover, if he want to explain to his doctor, how he will explain? Like a layman explaining to a doctor, "Ki this is what is happening to me. Is what I think we need to type here to get the result."
Yes, yes. So what we observe,
So
that we have to type. Let us check.
चष्मा.
Lycopodium. Involuntary alternate stretching and shortening of the cervical muscles. Okay. Involuntary nodding of the head now to the left than to the right. So this is more similar in the lycopodium, and it is involuntary in the lycopodium. Okay. So for this search, I mean for this query, involuntary movement cervical right, it is showing this involuntary nodding of the head now to the left then to the right, involuntary alternate stretching and shortening of the cervical muscles, right? So what we search, what words we put, or what is our query, it depends on the result will be accordingly. So we need to be very of, it's not necessary that important we have to be very exact, sure in the right words. Just we have to put what we have observed in common layman language, and the software will understand and it will show us what are the possible related matches. Okay, this is how we have to, what, causticum in the cervical muscles, a tension when quickly raising the body and turning. Okay. Towards side. The head. So we can search involuntary nodding of the head, involuntary head movement right. This also we can put, because see what we have observed. Anyone else? Any what you can put? What words we need to search in this case? The video which we have shared. One thing is very clear. It's more on the right side. That involuntary movement is more on the right side. Okay.
Sir,
or
can we
see.
check lack of muscle?
No, see, what we have to search what you're observing. What you're observing, don't put the interpretation. Lack of coordination, this becomes interpretation. What we are, I mean, as a common,
Okay.
suppose as a non-medico, what you observe, what you will say about that person, that we have to put.
Sir,
What you will put as a non-medico, if you observe this patient, so what we'll say, that yes, Dr.
the
Saidi.
rigidity of cervical muscle. Rigidity of
Rigidity.
cervical muscle.
Okay.
Rigidity.
Okay. Or suppose another point of view, I will say, suppose patient has already been diagnosed. आपको डायग्नोसिस अभी पता है कि एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर दे आर वेरी गुड इन डायग्नोसिंग अ पेशेंट. सो डायग्नोसिस कंफर्म है कि सर्वाइकल डिस्टोनिया है. तो व्हाट यू कैन डू, व्हाट हैपन्स इन द सर्वाइकल डिस्टोनिया. सर्वाइकल डिस्टोनिया मतलब एग्जैक्टली क्या, वो आप पढ़िए या यू सर्च ऑन द गूगल, एंड देन अकॉर्डिंगली यू सर्च, you use those words for searching. Okay, so for example,
Yeah, this is a one more perfect way, sir.
yeah, this is, I do this way.
Very
Okay,
easy way it is. Yes, sir. True.
I do this way. Suppose cervical dystonia. So cervical dystonia में exact क्या होता है, what happens. So you check in the book or on the Google or authentic source कि what वो diagnosis का में क्या होता है exactly, and accordingly those words we have to, so it will help you to know what words exactly I need to put for searching. Okay, so cervical dystonia. Okay, cervical dystonia, see,
Sir,
also known as spasmodic torticollis. Okay, spasmodic torticollis, it's a neurological disorder that causes involuntary neck muscle contractions. So now you, what you can search, involuntary neck contraction, neck muscle contraction, that you can put, or also you can put torticollis. So we'll clear this.
सर पेशेंट का सिम्टम क्या है सर? इन पेशेंट लैंग्वेज आई विल टेल यू सर. सर जो पेशेंट इज नरेटिंग लाइक दैट सर. सो ये जो मेरा गर्दन है ना सर, क्या करे तो भी राइट साइड जा रहा है सर. कितना कोशिश करे तो भी ऑटोमेटिकली राइट साइड ही जा रहा है सर. दिस इज द पेशेंट सिम्टम सर.
Yes. So what automatically मतलब involuntary, right? Involuntary
यस
जा
सर.
रहा है, automatic मतलब involuntary. So involuntary movement हमें use करना है. That is patient's language. Involuntary, right? Or movement. Sorry, involuntary neck. Involuntary neck movement. Involuntary neck movement towards right side. And we'll check. Involuntary neck movement towards right side. This is what I mean we should search. Let's check. Dr. Sushrut, side by you can search in your I mean on your side, torticollis, torticollis, spasmodic torticollis, right side. So we'll now check. Stiffness. Twitching motion in the neck towards the head. No. No, it's showing only two. Okay. Something we need to adjust. Involuntary, but involuntary word it has to come in this case. Involuntary. Sorry.
No, we have in Natrum more pain from stiffness on the right side of the neck. She could not turn head to the right side.
Mm-hmm. Involuntary neck right side.
And we have iodome also, rheumatic tension in the right side of the neck. So always it will be pulling in the right side.
So moment.
And causticum, we have constant tension in the right side of the neck, chest, so that he draw the body to the right side, sir.
Okay, causticum.
Causticum. And causticum is perfectly stiffness of the right side of the neck with a tension pain. Causticum have a lot of symptoms.
Involuntary. Moment. Yeah, causticum is there. Let's check.
I think
Lycopodium
last time
invol-
also lycopodium only came, no, sir? Just
Yeah, involuntary shaking, involuntary nodding, shaking and jerking in the head, involuntary alternate stretching and shortening of the cervical muscles. The head is involuntary turned towards the left. Okay.
I think here we can use Boningason concept, sir. If you
Yeah, yeah. Then jerking of the head backwards and forward, jerking of the backwards and forwards. Okay, causticum. Twitching motion in the neck towards the head, stiffness of the neck that could not move his head. Ammonium carb. No, no. That involuntary word has to come. So that involuntary, it's there in lycopodium. Okay. Involuntary movements of the head and of other members. Alumina, Arbovage. Only one we have. So we need to check. Now, अभी तक जितना हमने देखा तो it's lycopodium where there are many symptoms, right? Many symptoms related to our query.
Sir, can we check once again with the
Yes.
any of the repertory, sir, with at least Boningason or Boger, just to say what rubric, if we go with repertory is
Yeah.
kind of working, so
Yeah.
what rubric that we can.
Okay. Fine. So we'll.
And one more thing, sir. Another 2 days, say now we got causticum, we got lycopodium, we have got several medicines, no? After 2 days, we will have a tick mark box there. You tick both the box and then compare. So drug both together will be there for comparison.
Okay.
And if you want to go and detail read about that particular, now also you have a remedy detail. No, sir, that option please show once more, sir. You go to remedy search, sir.
Okay.
You go to remedy search.
Acha, here.
No, in your
Okay.
in Similix.
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Remedy search.
Maybe on top, sir.
Sir,
Here. Remedy search.
Just तो type any remedy, sir.
Okay. Let's take lycopodium.
Yeah, LYCO. You just try to complete the spelling, sir. Then search.
Okay.
Now it is all source books.
Chronic disease and boric.
Boric. You go into any selected one.
So mental symptoms 82, physical symptoms 1507.
Yeah, you okay. Try to type it, sir. Any of the location like mentals or physicals.
Okay.
We have to read the symptom. I have not checked it yet because now you go search option here or database or something. I have not seen the option, sir.
Here.
All symptoms. You just go all symptoms. You just type all the symptoms. Let us read all the symptoms.
What I will type?
anything
This
for
nodding, involuntary nodding will
हाँ
search.
हाँ
In nodding head. No. Involuntary nodding. Here it's showing. Involuntary nodding of the head now to the left and to the right. Okay. Okay. Anything else? Involuntary neck. No. Okay. I mean, okay. If you want to search any symptom from Lycopodium matramedica, right?
just
So
cross
that
verify it हाँ
cross verify whatever symptoms we got, whether they are really in the Lycopodium. That's okay. Okay. Understood. Yeah. Got it.
and type the
Sir,
sim
hello.
हाँ
Yes. Yes, Dr. Suvarna. Continue.
Sir,
Hello.
on the right side of here, it is mentioned that 200 out of 1607. That means I just want to confirm whether this the symptoms you have written, that is nodeling, na? So
Involuntary nodding.
its number is 200 in chronic. Involuntary nodding. The number is
no 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 no
200
no no no
in
no no no
chronic disease of myasthenia.
no no that
No.
is not a
Okay, okay, okay.
number of
Understood.
the chronic diseases. That is a vector number that we will be giving it, not as per the
Okay.
book. That's a separate
Okay,
vector.
okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay, okay.
sir, can you type, can you go to that mentals or physicals are on top next to the all symptom, next to the all symptom, you scroll down, sir. You now there is a mental and physical, no, you just type that, sir. No, no,
Mental.
right, sir.
Okay. So mental. These are mental and emotional
This is
symptoms.
Came, sir, symptoms came.
Yes. After a fright, alternate attacks. So related to mind.
Yeah, detail is there, complete all symptoms are there, sir. I have not gone through this, actually I am asking you, that's it.
Anxious, fearful, timid. Okay. Okay. So here it is showing mental symptoms related to other system also. Means first there will be mind symptoms and then the rest of the remaining systems. But wherever, so like here, before the menses appeared at midnight, first a chill, then heat, especially in the face with restlessness. So because the restlessness is there, so it has
It has
shown
calculated as a mind symptom.
yeah,
So
yeah.
this is also very useful.
Yes. So wherever mind symptoms are as a concomitant with the physical symptoms, even those will get references here. Yeah. Got your point. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Then this is system. Body systems. Modalities. Modalities. Okay. Okay. So we have to go again to this. Okay. Fine. Got it. Got it. So if we search involuntary, just involuntary, these are the involuntary alternate extension and contraction of the muscles in various places without pain and with full conscious in regular. So Dr. Sudarshan, I will tell you, you give lycopodium in that patient.
Sure, sir. I will try it. Sir.
See, this involuntary alternate extension and contraction of the muscles in various places. So in general, it's not on neck, any place, right? See, involuntary alternate stretching and shortening of the cervical muscles. So there in our search we should have put the word cervical muscle also. Then we would have got this entry. Involuntary burning and twitching of the whole body causing him to part and to become hot and red in the face. Okay. Involuntary nodding of the head. Involuntary nodding of the head. Involuntary shaking of the hands. Okay.
And one more thing, sir.
Yeah.
Once you
Yes. Dr. Sushruti, you're not audible.
hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, one more thing, sir. If you keep this Simlex software open, then you need not worry at all to open a book. Because mostly we'll be referring chronic diseases, Pura, Boric, Herring, and then Allen. Okay. So whatever you want to read, you can read it from here. And in future, as you said, sir, we are going to create a blog where symptoms of all psorics will be defined, and
Syphilitic
yeah,
psychosis.
yeah, and along with that, there'll be a individual chapter. Important features of lesser writing will be mentioned, sir. And along with that, cases of our team, like you and everybody, whoever want to present their case here, we will write it as a description. So that is also is one more option that we can add. Once you open this, then you need not go to any other resources. Like everything, you will get it here.
Right.
Yeah, sir.
Right. Great. So even the miasmatic symptoms will be added.
Exactly.
So that we can quickly refer the miasm, or we can check whatever symptoms our patient is having, or that set of symptom belongs to which miasm.
Sir, can you
So-
type one or two miasmatic symptoms?
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
hello, sir. Sir, there is
Yes.
one more symptom in LICO. That is involuntary stretching of the head now forward then backward
Involuntary stretching.
of the head now
Uh,
forward then backward.
in lycopodium here.
Yes.
Involuntary.
Stretching of the head now forward then backward.
Okay.
असं कसं हा
So this is how that guy is also doing, no, sir?
See
He
here,
comes front and then
involuntary
take it right.
stretching of the head now forward then backward. It's there.
हाँ
So what is your query?
सर पेशेंट को ये तो क्वेरी नहीं थी ना फॉरवर्ड देन बैकवर्ड बस वो
नहीं।
राइट साइड को
नहीं हाँ, पेशेंट को वो नहीं थी, बट वी आर जस्ट शोइंग हियर कि आपको अगर किसी मेडिसिन में अगर सिम्टम सर्च करने, कंफर्म करने, ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल आपने रेपेट्रेशन किया है, आपने रेपेट्रेशन करके एक ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन आया है, और अभी आपको वो कंफर्म करना है फ्रॉम प्रूव मेट्रा मेडिका कि इन मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम है क्या. तो जो मेडिसिन आपने जो रूब्रिक या सिम्टम जो लिया था टोटलिटी में रेपेट्रेशन करने के लिए, वो उस मेडिसिन में है कि नहीं वो देखना है, आपको कंफर्म करना है. तो आपको क्या करना है, वो मेडिसिन में जाना है. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे लाइकोपोडियम में गए हम, ओके, लाइकोपोडियम में गए और वो सचमुच वो सिम्टम है क्या लाइकोपोडियम में, तो आप यहाँ पे सर्च करना है जो भी सिम्टम है. तो इससे क्या होगा, सो दिस इज हाउ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज हेल्पफुल इवन टू दोज डॉक्टर्स हु आर गोइंग टू यूज रेपर्टरी. तो रेपर्ट्रेशन के बाद जो भी मेडिसिन आएंगे, ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन, वो आप यहाँ कंफर्म कर सकते, क्रॉस चेक कर सकते कि रियली उस मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम है क्या, राइट. तो अगर तो इनवॉलेंट्री, सो हमारे पेशेंट में बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड नहीं है, लेकिन जो है सिम्टम वो तो है ना, राइट. तो उसमें से कौन कौन, इसमें रिलेटेड सिम्टम तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट हमारे पेशेंट से रिलेटेड है क्या, है ना. जो नहीं है वो नहीं लेना, लेकिन जो है वो है ना इसमें. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल इनवॉलेंट्री अल्टरनेट स्ट्रेचिंग एंड शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ द सर्वाइकल मसल, इनवॉलेंट्री नॉडिंग ऑफ द हेड, इनवॉलेंट्री नॉडिंग ऑफ द हेड, सॉरी, राइट. Involuntary nodding of the head now to the left then to the right, involuntary shaking of the hands, involuntary shaking of the head, right. Involuntary वो बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड हमारे पेशेंट में नहीं है, तो वो आप छोड़िए ना, लेकिन जो है वो है क्या, वो देखना है हमें, राइट. यहाँ पे है इनवॉलेंट्री अल्टरनेट एक्सटेंशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ द मसल्स इन वेरियस प्लेसेस विदाउट पेन एंड विथ फुल कॉन्शियसनेस इन रेगुलर पैरोक्सिज्म्स. ओके, इनवॉलेंट्री अल्टरनेट स्ट्रेचिंग एंड शॉर्टनिंग ऑफ द सर्वाइकल मसल्स. तो हमारे पेशेंट में जो सिम्टम है वो सिम्टम इस मेडिसिन में है क्या, या किसी मेडिसिन में, उतना ही हमें चेक करना है, क्रॉस चेक करना है, राइट. इज इट क्लियर डॉक्टर साइली?
हाँ यस
हाँ,
जो नहीं है वो नहीं लेना है. या डॉक्टर सुश्रुत, एनीथिंग एल्स यू वांट टू ऐड, यू वांट टू शो?
No, I this is what it is, sir. And the next is just wanted to check with the repertory method what medicine we will get, sir.
Okay, we'll check now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And that medicine, whichever comes out, we will check in Proved Metra Medica whether that particular symptom is there or not.
हॅलो
हॅलो येस हॅलो
सर, मी पण एक सांगणार होते की आपण आता हॅलो येतो, आवाज येतो का सर?
यस यस
हेलो,
यस
हाँ मैं भी अब एक्चुअली वही बोलने वाली थी। जब हम लोग ने वो न्यू सॉफ्टवेयर से हम लोग ने लाइक को ये किया, तो अभी हम लोग बोगस से चेक करते हैं एज पर अवर रेगुलर चेकिंग, वही सेम मेडिसिन आते हैं क्या?
विल चेक नाउ
And then after once you get that medicine, we will check in the proved Matra Medica whether the symptom, whatever we got in repertory, whether that is there or not in the proved.
यस
यस, राइट राइट।
यहाँ पे तो okay
So
we'll
can
go
we take
here.
it from supplementary reference?
So we'll go here in voluntary involuntary involuntary head Mm, complete respiratory Kent motions of the head. Just a minute, someone wants to join the session. Yes, Dr. Saili.
Yes, sir.
You want to ask anything? See,
No,
in
sir.
motions of the head in Kent repertory, shaking, nodding, waving, etc. Involuntary. Under Kent's head chapter, and lycopodium is 1 mark. Okay, lycopodium, natrum, more, these are all 1 mark. Okay, so now see, Dr. Saili, you were confused. I mean, so in repertory, these are the medicines. Okay, these are the medicines, but really these medicines have that symptom in its Matra Medica, yes or no, that we have to check, and only after that we have to finalize the medicine. We should not give any medicine blindly on the basis of repertory. मतलब यहाँ पे रेपर्टरी में है, इसका मतलब उस मेडिसिन में भी, मटरा मेडिका में भी है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, वो क्रॉस चेक करना पड़ता है। तो आपको क्या करना है, आपको अभी रेपर्टरी ने दिखाया कि ये मेडिसिन से एगेरिकस, एल्यूमिना, कॉस्टिकम, हेलिबोरस, लाइको, मर्क, नाइट्रोमो, जिंकम। तो आपको क्या करना है, आप सिमिलिक्स में जाइए और यही सिम्टम आप डालिए, मोशन ऑफ हेड इनवॉलेंट्री, एंड यू चेक कि प्रूव्ड मेट्रा मेडिका में कौन से मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम है। आर यू गेटिंग डॉक्टर साइली? आपको रेपर्टरी
Yes,
पे
sir.
ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट नहीं करना है। रेपर्ट्रेशन एट द एंड जो भी मेडिसिन दिखाता है उसमें से कौन से मेडिसिन में एक्चुअली वो सिम्टम है, वो आप सिमिलिक्स यूज करके आप चेक कर सकते हैं कि कौन से मेडिसिन में एक्चुअली है वो। ओके, सो
Yes.
अभी हमें तो पता है कि लाइकोपोडियम में है वो, राइट, सो वी नो दैट। सो बोगर में तो यहाँ पे कहीं इनवॉलेंटरी मूवमेंट, involuntary movement,
एंड एक और सर, ये जो मार्क्स जो अराइव किए ना, 1 मार्क, 2 मार्क, 3 मार्क, उसका बेसिस और ग्राउंड्स क्या है सर?
हाँ वही तो, वो वहां पे भी गलतियां है,
हाँ तो
वहां पे भी गलतियां है।
हाँ तो कभी भी कोई भी प्रूवर या प्रूविंग करने वाला कि हमें स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं बताया है, ठीक है, तो
Right.
मैंने 500 मेड पेशेंट्स में ट्राई किया है या 1000 में किया है, तो ये मार्क्स जो है ना, हमने क्रिएट किया है ये सब।
जैसे कि अभी हमने देखा, एक्चुअली लाइकोपोडियम इज वेरी मार्क, बट वहां पे 1 मार्क दिया है डॉक्टर केंट ने।
हाँ, तो फिर वो मार्क कैसे आ गया वो?
हाँ वही, सो वी कैनॉट ट्रस्ट।
या
spasmodic. Okay, we have to search spasmodic. See, spasmodic or convulsive effects, twitching, jerks, etc. This is the rubric we have to take in bogus repertory. Okay, in bogus repertory. अगर ये rubric देखते तो lycopodium is not there. Okay, यहाँ पे lycopodium missing है. Okay, spasmodic or convulsive effects, twitching, jerks, etc. Now we'll वो कहाँ पे है? Head.
कौन सा मेडिसिन है सर वो अभी आया? If not lycopodium, which is a medicine Boger has given, sir?
बहुत सारे मेडिसिन है. I will show you.
The one which is the highest mark?
Spasmodic or convulsive effects. The highest mark is stramonium, stanum, calicab, lachesis, hyoscyamus, cuprum, zincum. Many medicines are there, but lycopodium is missing.
हाँ, तो अभी वो जो सिम्टम है, वो जो बोगर ने जो सिम्टम लिया है उसी को हमने सिम्लिक्स में टाइप किया था डायरेक्ट सर्च में.
हाँ हाँ, now we'll do that.
Yeah.
Spasmodic convulsive effect. Okay, now wait, let us check head general, because head general, then even neck we will take. We won't take neck because it's nape of neck. Okay. Location head and spasmodic or convulsive twitching, right? These are the medicines: belladonna, lachesis, nux vomica, pulsatilla, silicea, calcarea carb. And if we add side, right side, okay, sorry, if we add right side right, so belladonna, nux vomica, calcarea carb, pulsatilla, silicea एंड लाइकोपोडियम दिखा रहा है, लेकिन वो स्पाज्मोडिक कन्वल्सिव ट्विचिंग ये कवर नहीं होता है. बट नाउ वील चेक द सेम इन सिमिलिक्स. ओके, हम सिमिलिक्स में चेक करेंगे.
सेम सिम्टम्स वी विल चेक सर.
स्पाज्मोडिक कन्वल्सिव ट्विचिंग जर्किंग सिमिलिक्स. डॉक्टर साहिल, आपको कंसेप्ट क्लियर है क्या व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग? मतलब रेपर्टरी
Yes,
को
sir.
हमें ब्लाइंडली फॉलो नहीं करना है. रेपर्टरी में जो मेडिसिन, द मेडिसिन विच रेपर्टरी शोज यू, दैट डजंट मीन कि वो एक्चुअली दैट दोज आर राइट मेडिसिन. इट इज जस्ट गाइडिंग यू टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन. आपको फाइनल कंफर्मेशन, फाइनल सिलेक्शन आपको मटरा मेडिका पढ़ने के बाद ही आपको मेडिसिन फाइनलाइज करना है कि मुझे कौन सी मेडिसिन देनी है. तो रेपर्टरी ने आपको दिखाया कि ये 4 मेडिसिन आर द टॉप मोस्ट मेडिसिन विच कवर ऑल रूब्रिक्स विथ हाईएस्ट मार्क्स. लेकिन वो 4 मेडिसिन आपको मटरा मेडिका में, कौन से मटरा मेडिका में? प्रूव्ड, ओरिजिनल प्रूव्ड मटरा मेडिका में जाके पढ़ना है. वो सेक्शन जो पेशेंट का अफेक्टेड पार्ट है, सपोज हेडेक है तो हेड सेक्शन में जाना है और देखना है कि उन 4 मेडिसिन में से कौन से मेडिसिन में एग्जैक्टली सिमिलर सिम्टम्स हैं जो मेरे पेशेंट के साथ मैच होते हैं. वो मेडिसिन उन 4 में से आपको फाइनलाइज करना है.
Sir, he is working on that, sir.
Okay. That is the reason.
Yeah. And sir, that's what, there are 2 methods that people can follow, sir. One is go to repertory, check everything, and then confirm it here one more time before prescribing, because we need to give medicine as per proved Matra Medica.
Right.
Or if you want to save time, and then you just have to type quickly whatever you want, and then whatever medicine you will have a highest grading, then you just type it. So, but in both the ways, I think using both the systems can help patient better, is what I would say.
तो यस, तो शुरू में आप ऐसे कर सकते. अभी जो दोज हु आर बिगिनर्स और यूज्ड टू रेपर्टरी, you what you can do, you can use it as a cross check, I mean a tool to cross check the medicines, and gradually you can you will gain that confidence कि आप खुद को लगेगा कि why not then I will search patient symptom directly from Similix only या from the proved Matra Medica. मतलब आपको फाइनली आपको मेट्रा मेडिका पढ़ने के बाद ही मेडिसिन देना है, So why not do that work in the very beginning? I mean, why not bypass the repertory and search patient symptom directly from the proved Matra Medica as it is, and check which are the medicines, which are the topmost medicines, most similar medicines, with the help of software. This is what Dr. Henman used to do without any software. So that how it was possible for him, because he himself had proved the medicines, right? He himself had proved medicines. So that was one reason. Second, his memory was very sharp, good, we'll say, because उनका मेमोरी भी उतना पावरफुल, अच्छा, शार्प था. दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई ही न्यू कि कौन से मेडिसिन में कौन से सिम्टम्स है. एंड सो विदाउट एनी सॉफ्टवेयर ही इज टू नो कि which are the medicines which are the similar. I mean, you can check his cases in lesser writing book at the end. In the lesser writing book at the end, Dr. Henman has given how he used to solve his cases. Also in the Matra Medica Pura volume 1, in the very beginning section, Dr. Henman he has shared his cases, how he used to solve his cases. Same approach, same, nothing different, but he used to do without using any software, without using any tool. So we are very fortunate that we are having that tool. So I mean, if you check Dr. Henman's cases, he has shared, he has given ki in these medicines, like this software shows us ki these are the medicines which are having patient symptoms. So this is one medicine, Dalkamara, which is having these 2-3 symptoms which are similar, close to patient symptom. These are the medicines which are similar to patient symptom. This is how Dr. Henman has explained there in his cases ki these are the medicines which are similar to the patient symptom. And among those, why he selected that one medicine, because that is covering the maximum symptom, or that medicine has the most exact symptom matching to the patient's state, and so he has selected that medicine. No assumption, no hypothesis, no bias, nothing, purely based on the facts. These are the patient symptoms, these are the medicine symptoms. Law of symptom similarity हो गया, medicine prescribe किया, patient is fine. This is what. So we are very fortunate that we are having such tools now. So with the help of these tools, we are going to find medicine exactly the same way how Dr. Henman used to do. Okay, that's the beauty. Yeah. But on observation आपको क्या दिख रहा है? So we have to put those words, or those words we have to put for searching कि आपको क्या दिख रहा है, क्या इनवॉलंटरी मूवमेंट, या पेशेंट क्या बोल रहा है, पेशेंट खुद से क्या कैसे वो फील कर रहा है, हाउ पेशेंट इज एक्सप्रेसिंग दैट सिम्टम, वो आपको सर्च करना है यहाँ पे सॉफ्टवेयर में, राइट? एंड देन द सॉफ्टवेयर विल शो यू व्हाट आर द मेडिसिन्स which are similar. So everyone, are you getting the concept? Are you getting how we have to search, what we have to search? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Dr. Amey, are you there, Dr. Amey?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Vaishali, Dr. Sonali, Dr. Shamika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dr. Shushruth, anything you want to add? Yeah.
No, sir. Yeah, everything is perfectly fine, sir.
Okay. So see, cervical dystonia या any diagnostic word कब यूज करना है हम डायरेक्टली, और आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. सी नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सिमिलिक्स मल्टीपल अप्रोचेस अभी वी हैव. अगर आपको डायग्नोसिस पता है, इफ यू एज अ डॉक्टर आर वेरी गुड इन क्लिनिकल डायग्नोसिस, in fact I will say this software for if an allopathic MBBS doctor starts practicing, converts into homeopathy, and he is very good in clinical diagnosis, this is wonder. I mean, this software is great for those doctors to practice homeopathy. Okay, those those doctors who are very sound in clinical diagnosis. So what we can do, अगर if you are very sound in clinical diagnosis, you put, आपको पता है कि यार ये डायग्नोसिस है पेशेंट का, यू पुट दैट डायग्नोस्टिक वर्ड, यू सर्च डायरेक्टली दैट डायग्नोस्टिक वर्ड, एंड दैट सॉफ्टवेयर विल थ्रो अ लिस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन्स which right, it will tell you what are the medicines which have symptoms related to that diagnosis. which are the medicines in the whole Prumetra Medica which have symptoms related to that diagnosis. मतलब उस डायग्नोसिस में क्या क्या सिम्टम्स होते हैं पेशेंट में, वो सिम्टम कौन से मेडिसिन में है, वो मेडिसिन आपको ये सॉफ्टवेयर दिखाएगा. तो अभी आपका आपका काम क्या है, तो बहुत कम मेडिसिन, एक 10-15 मेडिसिन आपको सॉफ्टवेयर ने दिखाया, राइट, ही विल शो. नाउ व्हाट इज योर जॉब, among those 10 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 medicines, I have to differentiate with the help of modality, with the help of patient's mental disposition, with the help of other symptoms. आपका काम वहां पे भी आसान होता है. आप कैसे भी करो, वो मेडिसिन तक आप पहुंचने वाले हो, राइट. सो यू आइदर यू स्टार्ट विथ सिम्टम्स or you start with diagnosis, you will reach the right medicine.
सर एक और अप्रोच आप जो बोले वो बहुत बेस्ट था सर. एक और आप क्या बोले सर, पहले डायग्नोसिस के सिम्टम्स देख लो, डायग्नोसिस के सिम्टम देखे बाद उसके साथ एंटीसोरी उसको जोड़ना है एंटीसोरी का सिम्टम्स वो पेशेंट पे, तो वो दोनों मिलके सिमलिक्स पे सर्च कर दो, तो वो जो आएगा वो भी एक आपका एक अच्छा ही लिस्ट दे देगा सर. या डायरेक्टली डायग्नोस्टिक जो है उसको डाल के उसके साथ एक एंटीसोरिक का सिम्टम्स डाल देना वो पेशेंट्स पे, तो डिफरेंशिएट भी हो जाएगा सर.
राइट राइट. सो जैसे कि अभी नाउ सी इन दिस बोगर we have taken studied all these other software, I mean taken into consideration, and accordingly we are trying to make it best, this Similix. What things are lacking in other software, that we are working on it, and then accordingly Dr. Shushru's brother is working on it. Okay. And even if you now suppose let's take this Zomeo, let's take this Zomeo only. I will show you in the Zomeo. Let's go to Matra Medica part, Matra Medica search. Okay, for example, we'll go to Matra Medica search, and we'll search here, take any symptom of
Screen
your
show
patient.
होत नाही.
Okay, sorry, I just forgot to
Screen
share.
दिसत
Yeah,
नाही.
just a minute. Share the screen. Share screen. You tell any symptom which you want to search from the Prude Matra Medica. Any symptom. We'll search here from Zomeo software, directly from Matra Medica. Okay, tell any symptom.
Can we take another case, sir?
Yes, you tell the symptom. We'll search from the Prude Matra Medica with the help of Zomeo, and we'll see.
Sir, just in the morning, in the morning I have shared photographs of one. In the morning I have shared 1.5 years old baby miliary rash, sir. That case can we discuss? What kind of symptoms can we take in this?
Miliary rash, itching. Miliary rash, itching. Okay, now see, this is how it is showing you. Okay, so Dr. Hanman, TF Allen. Now we'll see Dr. Hanman. So it is showing you, this is in this manner. Okay, in this manner it is showing you the result. Then again you have to go.
Okay.
Now suppose you search, add to favorite. If you want to, now there are many HC Allen, TF Allen, Hanman, Herring, Clark, but we want to search only from Dr. Hanman's Matra Medica, TF Allen and Herring. तो आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है, सिलेक्ट करना है, ऐड टू फेवरेट करना है. आपको सिलेक्ट करना है इसमें से कौन सा ये करना है. अगर हेरिंग देखते तो हेरिंग में रस्टॉक से, तो आप यहाँ पे जाके ऐसे पढ़, अभी देखिए आपको पढ़, मिलियरी रैश, फिर यहाँ पे ईचिंग अलग जगह है. ओके, फिर आप नाउ विल गो टू डॉक्टर हैनमन्स मेट्रा मेडिका. लेट्स कम ब्रायोनिया. तो सी अभी यहाँ पे ओके, देन TF Allen, लेडमपाल, मिलियरी रैश. ओके, और भी दूसरा कौन सा सिम्टम हम ले सकते हैं. लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल.
सर raised spot swelling, raised spot घेऊ शकतो का?
Raised
Spot.
just a minute, wait. Shoulder shoulder right shoulder tearing, shoulder pain at night, and we'll search here shoulder pain at night. Okay, now for example, see, I will show, just a minute, we'll go to Dr. Henman. Let's take hearing. Then
सर हे तुम्ही झोमिओ सॉफ्टवेअर मध्ये कशामध्ये पाहताय?
Zomio Mathematica search.
अच्छा, ओके, मॅथमॅटिका.
What I want to show you, what we are missing in this Zomio, I'll tell you. See now, in this one medicine, what Zomio will show you, we have put the word at night. Okay, at night shoulder pain.
Yes.
तो वो scattered है. See, chilliness with dull pain in region of lower cervical and upper dorsal vertebrae. ओके, लेकिन हमें ये नहीं चाहिए. एट नाइट फीवर, स्लीपलेसनेस. सो इट इज शोइंग यू वर्ड्स, बट इट इज नॉट शोइंग यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ वी वांट, राइट? तो यहाँ पे शोल्डर,
Yes.
यहाँ पे आया.
Yes.
नाइट, एट नाइट इज गिवन इन कॉन्टेस्ट विद डिफरेंट सिम्टम, मतलब इन रिलेशन टू फीवर. वो फीवर रात को आता है,
Yeah.
लेकिन मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए. मुझे कैसे चाहिए? शोल्डर में
Collective
रात
नहीं
को
है.
पेन होने वाली मेडिसिन. पेशेंट शुड हैव पेन इन द शोल्डर विच इज एग्रेवेटेड एट नाइट. तो ऐसा नहीं दिखाता है ये. आर यू गेटिंग? जोमियो सो
Yes, sir,
अननेसेसरी
yes. Collective symptom नहीं है.
हाँ, अननेसेसरी भी एंट्रीज आपको मिलेंगी. इसमें आपका टाइम वेस्ट हो है, तो आपको हर बार वो पढ़ना है.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पे वो ये सॉफ्टवेयर क्या दिखा रहा है आपको? ओके, ये दिखा रहा है कि ये मेडिसिन है, लेकिन आपको एक्चुअली उसमें जाके पढ़ने के बाद आपको पता चलता है कि एक्चुअली उस मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम वैसे है क्या, राइट? तो जैसे कि यहाँ पे
Yes,
रेमेटेटिव
right.
पेन्स वर्स इन नाइट,
Yes, sir.
तो आप वो पढ़ना है, फिर आपको वो डिसाइड करना है. ऐसे कितने बार करोगे आप? इसमें टाइम वेस्ट होने वाला है, राइट? तो हमें ऐसा नहीं चाहिए.
Yes. Yes.
सो दीज थिंग्स आर टेकन केयर ऑफ कि ये हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में ऐसा ना हो. इट विल सेव आवर
सर
टाइम.
एक इमेजिन करो सर जस्ट एक इमेजिन करो सर. हम पहले तो नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन ऐसा एक्सपेक्टेशंस कि समझो सर कि क्रॉनिक डिसीज 2 वॉल्यूम, प्यूरा 2 वॉल्यूम, BHMS फर्स्ट ईयर ज्वाइन करे. वहां से लेके 5.5 years तक कितने दिन मिलते हैं हमें? खाली पढ़ना है हमें 4 बुक. और उसके बाद अभी मेरा तो 41 ईयर है. तो समझिए सर कि हम एटलीस्ट कॉलेज के टाइम में ये 2 बुक पढ़े रहते तो क्या होता था?
राइट.
हाँ,
Exactly.
हाँ, तो हमें अभी देखिए
Exactly.
यही सॉफ्टवेयर में कॉलेज में जाके अभी जो सेल करूंगा, इसको स्टूडेंट्स को जो सेल करूंगा और कॉलेजेस में जो करूंगा मैं, तो देन इफ दे गेट मोटिवेटेड आउट ऑफ दिस सॉफ्टवेयर एंड देन दे रीड ओनली 4 बुक्स, इमेजिन देयर लाइफ इज गोना चेंज.
यस.
Yes. Yes.
And now also for us also,
Yes, definitely.
so for us also we need not at least दिन में एक बार ऐसे एक मेडिसिन अच्छे से पढ़ना. लाइकोपोडियम पढ़ लो मैडम, ऊपर से नीचे तक लाइकोपोडियम. एक सेंटेंस में क्या बोलते हैं उसको पूरा डिक्शनरी निकाल के एक ड्रग पढ़ लो मैम. एक ड्रग पढ़े तो उतना ही, 48 ड्रग पढ़े तो उतना ही. तो एक ड्रग हमें अच्छे से पढ़ना है.
Yes.
एटलीस्ट सिम्टम डाल सकते हैं हम होम्योपैथी लैंग्वेज में.
Definitely.
या
So these are the things which are missing. Even if you go to advanced Mathematica search, आप advanced Mathematica search भी अगर यूज करते हो फीचर, तो this also doesn't work very nicely. Okay, मतलब आप अगर देखते हैं शोल्डर, ये एडवांस्ड मैथमेटिका सर्च बोला है उन्होंने, बट वो एडवांस जैसे काम नहीं करता है. ओके, आपको ऐड बोलना है. तो आपने शोल्डर यहाँ पे वर्ड सेकंड, टीयरिंग टीयरिंग लेना है, मुझे ऐड करना है, तो टीयरिंग, ये सिमिलर वर्ड्स आप ऐड कर सकते। और नाइट में पेशेंट को पेन होता है, तो ये ऐड नाइट, नाइट नॉक्टर्नल आप ऐड कर सकते हो। ओके, और तो आप ये बोलिए सर्च। तो यहाँ पे आगे अभी मैं यहाँ पे आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो कि आपको कौन से बुक में से चाहिए। ओके, तो मुझे खाली वो सपोज डॉक्टर एनमंस मेट्रा मेडिका ही चाहिए, मुझे मैनुअल ऑफ मेट्रा मेडिका इसमें ही चाहिए। चलो सॉरी, सर्च, सर्च रिजल्ट्स नॉट फाउंड, दिस इज हाउ ये टेक्निकल मिस्टेक से हो रहे हैं इस सॉफ्टवेयर में। ओके, इट डजंट शो यू इवन इफ इट इज देयर। So this is the difficulty we are facing in this Zomeo software or any other software where this facility is available of searching directly from Matra Medica. Okay, so in software, see, these all other softwares of homeopathy are designed by giving importance to repertory. एक रेपर्टरी का सॉफ्टवेयर है, मट्रा मेडिका सर्च को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं दिया है, राइट? तो उन्होंने वो फीचर दिया है कि आप मट्रा मेडिका में से सर्च कर सकते हो। ओके, बट वो इट इज नॉट ए स्मार्ट मट्रा मेडिका सर्च, जैसे अभी सिमिलिक्स में होता है, राइट? या क्लिनिक होम्योपैथिक में हो रहा है। क्लिनिक होम्योपैथिक भी आपको दे रहा है, ओके, इट इज गुड, बट उससे स्मार्ट ये हम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। ओके, विच उसमें हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में हमारा मायाजम भी ऐड होने वाला है, राइट? एंड अदर फीचर्स विल बी एडेड। एंड व्हाट आई वाज टेलिंग डॉक्टर वैशाली, आर यू देयर? डॉक्टर वैशाली?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सो सी नाउ सपोज ये रेपर्टरी में जाना है। सी यहाँ पे मट्रा मेडिका है, रेपर्टरी है। आपको पता नहीं कि कौन सा रूब्रिक, वो रूब्रिक पेशेंट का जो सिम्टम है उससे रिलेटेड कहाँ पे मिलेंगे आपको सिम्टम। तो आप रेपर्टरी में जाना है और वहाँ पे क्लासिक वेव, सॉरी, रेपर्टरी, रेपर्टरी में जाके यहाँ पे आपका जो सिम्टम था, सर्च सिम्टम्स, लाइस, और आपको सर्च बोलना है। सो सी ये क्या सॉफ्टवेयर कर रहा है, ये यहाँ पे उन्होंने दिखा है केंट रेपर्टरी, एलेंस रेपर्टरी। तो केंट रेपर्टरी में क्या, कौन से रूब्रिक से रिलेटेड टू लाइस, तो आप केंट रेपर्टरी में हेड चैप्टर में लाइस ऐसे डायरेक्ट रूब्रिक है, लाइस। सी दीज आर द मेडिसिन, सोराइनम, मर्क, कार्बोलिक एसिड, राइट? फिर ड्रीम्स में है ड्रीम्स ऑफ लाइस। तो आप फिर आप कंप्लीट फाटक रेपर्टरी में जा सकते हैं। फाटक रेपर्टरी में यहाँ पे रूब्रिक है लाइस। तो आपको पता नहीं कौन से रेपर्टरी में, कौन से चैप्टर में वो रूब्रिक होगा रिलेटेड टू योर पेशेंट सिम्टम, बट ये सॉफ्टवेयर आपको गाइड करेगा, दिखाएगा कि कौन से रूब्रिक से आपको अभी वो भी काम करने की कोशिश, मतलब आपको ढूंढने की कोशिश, जरूरत नहीं है अभी कि कहाँ मिलेगा, कहाँ होगा वो रूब्रिक, क्या रूब्रिक लेना है। आपको सिर्फ पेशेंट के सिम्टम्स डालना है एंड रिलेटेड टू दो सिम्टम्स वो सॉफ्टवेयर आपको दिखाएगी कि विच आर द रूब्रिक्स, राइट? तो ये काम, तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं सिमिलिक्स में, हम क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर सर्चिंग डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम मट्रा मेडिका, प्रूड मट्रा मेडिका, कि हमारे पेशेंट के सिम्टम्स से रिलेटेड कौन से मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम्स है। ये सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करता है, रेपर्टरी के रूब्रिक्स आपको तुरंत दिखाता है, कौन से तो सेम सिमिलर मैनर में वो सिमिलिक्स क्या दिखाता है कि प्रूड मट्रा मेडिका में से कौन से मेडिसिन में वो सिम्टम्स है जो आपके से पेशेंट में है। ओके, so and that is from the actual original source book proving, so you can blindly you can rely on those medicines. Okay, yeah, okay, anything else, doctor? Anything